Winter gardening can be a bit of a challenge, but with the right approach, you can keep your garden thriving even in the colder months. Here are some tips to help you maintain a productive and beautiful winter garden. 1. Choose hardy plants. Select plants that can withstand cold temperatures and shorter daylight hours. Winter greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are great options as they continue to grow slowly in cooler weather. Hardy herbs such as thyme, rosemary, and parsley are also well suited to winter conditions. Additionally, root vegetables like carrots, parsnips, and beets can be left in the ground over winter, as the cold can actually improve their flavor. Consider planting cover crops like winter rye or clover to improve soil health and prevent erosion. 2. Use cold frames and cloches. Cold frames are excellent for extending your growing season. They capture heat from the sun and create a microenvironment that protects plants from frost and harsh winds. You can build your own cold frame using old windows or purchase a pre-made one. Cloches, on the other hand, can be used to cover individual plants, providing protection from frost and creating a mini greenhouse effect. Both tools help maintain more consistent soil temperatures and can allow for earlier spring planting. 3. Mulch generously. Apply a thick layer of mulch around your plants to insulate the soil and help retain moisture. Mulch helps prevent soil from freezing and thawing too rapidly, which can damage plant roots. Organic mulches such as straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves also improve soil structure as they decompose. In addition to temperature regulation, mulch can help suppress weeds and reduce soil erosion. 4. Water wisely. Even though plants grow more slowly in winter, they still need water to stay healthy. Water plants in the morning so the soil has time to absorb moisture before temperatures drop at night. Avoid watering when the soil is frozen or when snow is on the ground. In addition, ensure that your garden is not waterlogged, as excess moisture combined with freezing temperatures can lead to root rot. 5. Protect your soil. Healthy soil is crucial for a productive garden. Covering soil with mulch or compost helps maintain its structure and prevents erosion caused by wind and rain. Compost also enriches the soil with nutrients, improving its fertility. For bare patches, consider planting cover crops to protect the soil and enhance its organic matter content. This also helps in preventing nutrient leaching during heavy winter rains. 6. Keep an eye on pests. Although fewer pests are active in winter, it's important to remain vigilant. Look for signs of overwintering pests or diseases, such as aphids or fungal infections. Inspect plants regularly and take action if needed. For indoor plants, check for common pests like spider mites and scale insects, which can thrive in the dry indoor air. 7th, keep an eye on light levels. Indoor plants, or those in greenhouses, can struggle with reduced natural light during winter months. Ensure they receive adequate light by placing them in the sunniest spot available. If natural light is insufficient, use grow lights to supplement. Choose full-spectrum grow lights that mimic natural sunlight to support healthy plant growth and development. Adjust the duration of light exposure based on the needs of specific plants. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to manage your garden through the winter and prepare it for a vibrant spring. Happy gardening!